As you can see today, we're machining some brass, and we thought this would be a good time to introduce to you a toolpath that maybe you're not necessarily too familiar with. I wasn't, or have not been too familiar with it, so it was good for me to kind of get in there and learn a little bit about it. It's called dynamic roughing. It's on the lathe, right, not the mill, but it's still dynamic. It uses button tools from Kennametal, which are full radius groovers, and the idea is that it saves you time by turning both back and forward, making lots of chips, helping you get the part done fast. So you can see the button is right up here. We have dynamic roughing. And if you click on it, well here, I'll click on the path I have right here to kind of show you what it looks like. So in here, what you're gonna see is if you go to your dynamic roughing parameters, what you're gonna see is choices that very clearly resemble a normal roughing path. So you have a step over, which is really just gonna be our depth of cut. And we have our stock to leave. And we have all our other standard parameters that you're used to too. You have your feed rate and spindle speed. I think in all honesty, running this, I probably could have went a little quicker. Not a little quicker, I probably could have taken a little bit bigger depth of cut, but this is the first time I was kind of playing with this tool path and we were running to dry, so this is what we have. Still taking off a lot of chips. So I hope you guys enjoy our brass demonstration for you guys today. I hope you guys will take a look at this tool path and see maybe how it can help you guys with your turning operations. And again, if you guys like our videos, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.